Hey, welcome to Zona Mechanica. There is an MCQ on Mohr's circle. Figure at the margin indicates the weightage of the question, that is 2 marks. A two-dimensional fluid element rotates like a rigid body. At a point within the element, the pressure is 1 unit. Radius of the Mohr's circle characterizing the state of stress at the point is. There are 4 options. Option A 0.5 unit, option B 0 unit, option C 1 unit, option D 2 unit. Well, it's given that at a point within the element the pressure is 1 unit. That is, the pressures in all the 3 mutually perpendicular directions or normal directions are 1 unit. That is, P1 is equal to P2 is equal to P3 is equal to 1. And it is told that the fluid element is like a rigid body. So we can say that the normal stresses in all the 3 normal directions are also 1 unit. Okay. Now the radius of the Mohr's circle. Radius of the Mohr's circle, we know it is equal to the maximum shear stress tau max, which is equal to in 2 dimensions sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, right? So clearly if we put the values 1 minus 1, it will give 0, right? Clearly it's matching with option B, that is 0 unit. Radius of the Mohr circle is 0 unit. So option B is the correct answer.